How to Create Your Patreon Account 2023 Full Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Patreon and how you can create an account on this in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So basically, Patreon is a platform for different creators that upload their content onto Patreon so people can, maybe donate them, or, you know, it's good for publicity. It's good for, spreading your content around and showing people what your content is really about and all that. So really, really easy, really simple, and relatively really fun stuff to get your head behind. And as we scroll down on Patreon, we can see the different types of creators with different types of content. And it could be by community, it could be by niche, by genre, whatever you want. So we're going to go ahead and start creating your accounts. But before creating, let's go ahead and actually discuss the pricings of Patreon. So once you come to patreon.com/pricing over here, you can see the different pricings. And there's different powerful core features. There's multimedia publishing, there's native video and previews, exclusive podcast feeds, personalization options, and analytical insights. So really simple. You can also see over here, earning made easy. Ready to start earning on Patreon? You can offer a paid membership with fully customizable benefits, sell individual digital exclusives like videos or podcast episodes on your own online shop, or a combination of both of them. So the paid memberships are basically either 8% or premium, which is 12%. So in this, a core set of tools to help you earn an income for your creative work directly from your community. So it basically takes 8% of the income that you earn on Patreon. So let's say we earned $100 in 1 month. Now, from those $100, what they're going to do is they're going to cut $8 out of it. Let's say you take the premium one. You earn $100 on premium, and they're going to cut $12 from you. So you get the point. Now, to create an account, once we've gotten our understanding of that, we're going to come over to Get Started. And once you come over to Get Started, it's going to give you these things over here. So here we're going to add our email and stuff. So obviously I'm going to use this email of mine over here, and I'm going to add it right here. Once you do that, you're going to click on Continue here. It says, what should we call you? I'm going to go ahead and add my name, and then we're going to set up a password. So just go ahead and set up a proper, well-constructed, strong password. Click on Continue. Once you do that, it brings you to the Patreon Create page. So, welcome. There are already more than 250,000 creators on Patreon, and there's about to be one more, you. So start your own Patreon in just a few steps, invite fans and connect with them directly for free. There are no algorithms, and when you're ready to earn money, it's easy to offer a paid membership or sell digital products. You can join as a fan as well if you want to, not as a creator. But I'm gonna go as a creator. Go ahead, name my page. I'm just gonna call it John's Art, and you can also add in things like my page isn't suitable for people under 18, etc., etc. So you could go with that if you want to, and click on next. And once you do that, it takes you to this page over here where you can connect your different socials. So you know what you can do is you can import information from different socials to each other, but I'm just gonna go ahead to my page without connecting any social and get started with the different creation processes. So basically, this is your Patreon dashboard. Okay, so here it says your Patreon is ready. Here's how you're gonna make it yours. So first of all, you get the basic, you could say profile or dashboard. So John's Art, you can add headlines. There's different Patreons where you can add different links. There's different home settings over here. So your Patreon is ready. Here's how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share. You can add profile photos. That's what you're obviously going to add. Then you're going to complete your profile by describing your page, where you're going to, give a very nice and long description on what your page is about and what it insinuates, what it actually shows the audience. Moving on, you can make your first public post for yourself if you want to, and then finally publish your page. So, it's pretty simple. And then when it comes to earning money, it tells you Patreon is a free space for you and your fans to connect directly to grow your business. It's easy to offer exclusive access to your work. So first of all, you can start a paid membership that I showed you. So there's the pro and there's the premium plan. And then they're selling digital products. So basically, you can sell digital products like your own products, or maybe you can even do affiliate marketing for digital products. That depends on the type of working you want to go with. And moving on, there's paid memberships. So paid memberships is also something that you need to get an idea of because paid memberships basically allow you or help you to, gain the algorithm or, gain, you could say, users or followers really quickly. Pretty simple, pretty easy stuff to get your head around. Now, moving on, over here on the left-hand side, you can also switch to your audience. Okay, and if someone opts for your Patreon, you can see your members over here. Okay, if someone, actually joins your Patreon or pays your Patreon to support you, you can see those members over here. And obviously, you can make different chats with them and you can create different communities with them. You can import them in a CSV form and, export them to some type of, you could say, other platform or some email marketing platform that you have. Like, let's say you can import a CSV list of them from here and then add them or upload them onto some place that you're doing marketing on. Then moving on, there's the Insights tab. Now, in the Insights tab, what you're going to get is basic analytics. So you get membership, earnings, posts, and different graph charts that are going to tell you the overall workings and overall work analytics and stats of what's really going on with your Patreon. Okay, so you can find your analytics over here. Then comes your payouts. Okay, now in the payout section, you can withdraw different types of money. You can create different types of documents. You can keep your Patreon safe. And to prevent fraud and make Patreon a safe platform for all users, you will not be able to pay out your funds for 5 days after you've received your first pledge. And you can, add payout methods for yourself from this section of the account. Now, when it comes to adding payout methods, obviously you are going to want to just go ahead, come here, click on Become a Creator. And once you click on Become a Creator, you're just going to go ahead and create some widgets for yourself, okay? So let's say I'm going to click on Create, and it's going to select a type of creation that you want to publish, okay? So it could be some type of text poll you want to create. You want to upload some video, upload some image showing what you do. You can live stream on Patreon, actually showing people what you're really about. You can upload different links, different audios, just a brief idea of what your Patreon really constitutes, what your where the royalties of your Patreon really lies. So yeah, but that's the basic idea of how you're going to be creating an account and setting it up on Patreon. So if you want a more detailed analysis about this, then please do make sure to let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's pretty much the general, you could say, idea of how Patreon works. You could also get the Patreon app, which is a pretty helpful space to work with. Yeah, basically that's how you're going to use Patreon. You can also come over to the main Patreon user space. Now, this is obviously where you can create things for yourself, but you can also use Patreon as an audience member and use it as an audience member. Just verify your email and they're going to let you do that. So yeah, that's the general idea of it. That's pretty much about it. And that is how you're going to create an account on Patreon. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you people next time. Goodbye.